How to find user statistics settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find user statistics settings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and now click this one, and then just go down until you find this one, advanced, and then click here, user statistics, and this is how to find user statistics settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.